Hello guys and welcome back to Robot Squad. So today we are going to make a calendar event manager using Python. So first I'm just going to create a new project on Google Cloud Platform. Project name is going to be calendar app and create. So which API I will use? Will we use other API and then done. API is required. Google API library. Wait, let's add in our. We'll go to calendar app first. Just click on calendar app, and now we are going to go to calendar API. We'll just search calendar API over here. Click on Google Calendar API and click on enable. Now it's loading and it's enabled it. So now we are going to create some credentials like the API key which we are going to access. User data. Next. And the app name is going to be Calendar. I guess pretty long name, but it should be enough. robotscott.in@gmail.com. No need for app logo. You can make an app logo and add it over here. And again the robotscott email and save and continue. So the scope we are going to be using is going to be auth/calendar. I'm just going to click that and update. So this is the scope we are going to be using. It will give us complete access to the Google Calendar, and then we are just going to click on done. Oh wait, or client ID. So it's a desktop app. Let's keep desktop app create, and I'll just copy this. You'll also get a same client ID and then click on done. So we'll go to credentials again and we'll just download the file. The file is required, so download JSON. And now we can go on and set up the Python quick start. To click forward. Yep. So now we can finally pip install the Google helping libraries. So to do that, we're just going to copy this. And before I do that, I'll just create a new virtual environment. Wait first. cd g calendar and then virtual and gcal. It should create a virtual environment, and it has finished creating a virtual environment. So I just set the execution policy to unrestricted, and now we can just go /gcal/scripts/activate, and it has activated our virtual environment. Now we'll paste the pip install for Python client Google API, and we should be done in a few minutes. And it's finished downloading the Google Python client. And second, let's change the Python interpreter. So I'll just enter interpreter path, find gcal scripts and Python modules. Scripts and should give it time, and yes, it has started to recognize. /calendar. Next, we are just going to take our the client secrets file we had downloaded from Google API. This thing, we are just going to right click and rename it to credentials.json. And we are going to move it into the gcal folder. Let's just see if there are any errors. I don't think we have any errors, so I guess we can just run the setup program, run Python 5. And it has started the setup. Okay, you need to authorize your Google account before accessing it. I'll provide myself access and be right back. So to add test users, we can go back to the Google Cloud Platform and click on OAuth consent screen and click on test users, add users, and then add in your email. And I can just click on save. And remember, only 100 users are allowed. So yeah, I guess now we can continue with the setup. Back and again continue. This time it should, yes. Now click on continue and click on continue again. Authorization done. So there are no upcoming events for me. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.